Hi guys, and welcome to another farming video. Now just a quick update on what's going on in my ground. So pumpkin right there, pumpkin still blossoming. So guys, as you can see, all of this section has covered with grass. Now I'm gonna walk and check on that big pumpkin that I had up here, just to see if it's ready. And guys, I have already picked 2 pumpkin out of this ground. 2 ready pumpkin out of this ground. So I'm just gonna show you guys the big pumpkin, and this is it. So that's the big pumpkin, and then there are some smaller ones also. So they have some smaller ones there, so, and some, and the big one over here. And guys, the blossoms are dropping off because the time is very cold, so the blossoms are dropping off. So this is a smaller one. Then over here, oh my god, this is a huge one, man. And there's pumpkin right through and through. So I'm not gonna be staying long today, so I'm gonna walk over and show you guys the cabbage and the broccoli, and where I have, oh god, I'm jumping. So I burned this section to plant some things. I don't know what I'm gonna plant yet, so I'm just heading over, guys. So that's the cabbage. So up there, that clear section, I'm gonna plant some lettuce. I have them ready. So guys, this is the cabbage. Zoom in closer and show you guys what it looks like. There, guys. So I had sprayed them. I had sprayed these on Saturday, so I'm just gonna look now to see if there's any caterpillar or anything. Seen any caterpillars. So that's the cabbage, guys. Now to the broccoli. That's the broccoli, and as I said, this is just a quick update on what's going on. So searching for caterpillars, looking for caterpillars. There isn't any caterpillars. Check for see if they start roll too, you know. So give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna go check and see if they start roll, if they start make no head. So this is what you want to do, right? You want to spread it out like this and look if it start roll. So let's start rolling. So guys, I got this area cleared and dig out. So I'm going to plant some tomatoes. And you see that tree down there, I chop it down Saturday. I fall that tree over there, so to give the ground a bit of air. Because whenever you're planting tomatoes need air and sunlight. Because this is a cold period we're in right now, have to try and get it as much air as possible. So I'm gonna have to come back and clear a bit more of that hill. So yes, guys. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to comment down below. So that's the tomato section, and this is my sister's section. She's still not get the ground weed out all now, but she need the fertilizer to cool first before she can weed out the ground, because she don't want it to burn the plants. This is the one that we planted last week. And you see them catch pretty, guys? They catch so pretty, man. Yeah, she watered like for about 2 days and then she gets some rain, so they catch off pretty. And now this is the one that had planted previously. So see it come up big and pretty. Only thing is that you want weed out, so she's gonna have that done probably next week or further on in the week. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.